Oh, this video is about face editing for documentary-style thumbnail videos. Let's get started. First, import your image. Go to the Layers panel and press Ctrl+J, right-click on the duplicated layer, and convert it to a smart object for smooth and non-destructive editing. Rename this layer. Now go to Filter and select Smart Sharpen. A settings window will appear. Follow the settings shown on your screen. You can clearly see the before and after difference. Next, go to Filter again and select Camera Raw Filter. Follow the settings visible on the screen or adjust them according to your image until you are satisfied. Check the difference between before and after. Now go to Adjustment Layer and select Curves to add suitable shadows to the face. Adjust the curve or follow the on-screen settings. After adjusting, click on the layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Pick a soft round brush, set the brush opacity to 46 and flow to 27. We will adjust opacity and flow whenever needed. You can see this on screen while I work. Paint on the face where you want to add shadows. Check the result by toggling before and after. Rename this layer as Shadow. Now again, go to Adjustment Layer and select Curves to add light to the face. Adjust the curve or follow the screen settings. Click on the layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select the soft round brush again, set opacity to 56 and flow to 53. These values may change for better results, and you can see that live on screen. Apply light to the face where needed. Check the before and after difference. Rename this layer as Light. Now select the light layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Reduce the opacity to balance the lighting. Next, go to Adjustment Layer and select Vibrance to enhance highlights and midtones. Adjust the values or follow the on-screen settings. Click on the layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Pick a soft round brush. Set opacity to 31 and flow to 53. Apply it where required and check the before and after result. Now hold Alt and place the cursor between the curves and vibrance layers. When you see the clipping mask icon, click to apply it. Next, go to Adjustment Layer and select Brightness/Contrast. Adjust the values or follow the screen. Change the blend mode by clicking the drop down and selecting Color. Check the difference between before and after. Again, go to Adjustment Layer and select Curves to add color to the face. Adjust it or follow the screen settings. Create a clipping mask between the curves and brightness/contrast layers. Reduce the opacity of this curves layer to 84. Now create a new layer. Select the gradient tool, click on the foreground color, and choose a color for side lighting on the face. After choosing the color, click and drag where you want the side light to appear. Change the blend mode of this layer to soft light. You can also experiment with different light colors for the background. Now go to Adjustment Layer and select Curves to increase overall light and brightness. Adjust the curve or follow the screen. Click on the layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Using a soft round brush, apply it to the sides of the image and the background for a better overall look. Next, go to Adjustment Layer and select Hue/Saturation. Adjust the values or follow the screen settings. Change the blend mode to color. Select the layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Use a soft brush to enhance the shirt color. Set the Hue/Saturation layer opacity to 71. Next, go to Adjustment Layer and select Brightness/Contrast to increase the white balance of the eyes. Follow the screen. Ctrl+I. With a soft round brush, paint on the eyes to increase whiteness. Now press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to merge all visible layers. Select this merged layer, right-click, and convert it to a smart object. Rename this layer as Filter. Go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter again. Apply the final settings for the best result. Now you can clearly see the difference between the raw image and the edited image. Your documentary style thumbnail is now ready. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.